Hi, I'm Isaac with Perfection Auto Care, and today we're going to be working on this neglected 2014 BRZ. It's got a couple little things we need to do to it. We're going to do a paint enhancement, paint coating, we're going to do interior detail, headlights, engine bay, and a few other little things just to bring it back and give it a new life. So a few things, you can see the headlights are a little bit dingy, covered in bug guts. Got a few little scuff marks here, bird poop on the hood. Overall, the paint, I don't think he said it's been washed since last October, September. So it feels a little bit rough. So we'll need a good decontamination. Typically just do a iron removal and clay bar after the wash, and that should take care of that. So we've got our paint depth gauge here. Basically this just tells you in mils how thick of paint you're working with. That way it kind of gives an idea of how much I'm able to polish out and chase defects. So for instance, this Subaru, the hood and a couple other body panels have been repainted at some point. So they're going to meter a good bit thicker, which means we have more to work with, but it does mean that we're also working with aftermarket paint. If you know anything about automotive paint, you know Subaru paint is pretty much on the softer side. So even though we are only doing a paint enhancement, that's probably realistically going to eliminate a lot more swirls and scratches than what your average harder paint would be, like BMW, Audi, etc. So with Subaru paint being soft, I think we're definitely going to see a drastic difference. So we got the car all finished up, everything top to bottom cleans, decontaminated, polished, paint as expected, polished out phenomenally well, being softer Subaru paint. I would honestly say probably 85 to 90% correction, even with our just quick paint enhancement. So if you've got something that's softer paint, you're really going to benefit from that enhancement and coating package. Added a whole lot of depth and clarity to that blue. The blue really, really pops now, especially with the coating on it. So I really think the owner is going to be happy. It's going to be a lot easier to clean, maintain, and that coating is just going to kind of act as a barrier between the elements and his clear coat.